Never seen birds fight before. What the hell?
That's so creepy. You know what? You take video of the pictures. They are fighting, huh? Oh shit, he's action. Wow, they're really fighting.
Looks like they're stuck together in their legs.
What the heck? Oh shit.
Oh, yeah.
They're still fighting. Oh my god, they're really fighting, guys.
Yeah. Yes. Oh.
Wow, they're really fighting.
Yeah.
What the heck? Shit.
What the hell?
Are they up there?
Huh?
They went up there?
Yeah, they're living in there.
Holy shit.
If they're both inside there, they're really going at it.
They're really fighting.
That's spousal abuse.